What's good with it, man? What good with it? What good with it? It's raining. It's a semi-ugly day, but that means we gotta get this work in. You feel me? Today I gotta go hurry up and it's a cram day. You know what I'm saying? It's one of those type of days, man. I gotta hurry up, try to find a pair of forces for an order. Situations happen. This is the kind of stuff you got to deal with when you doing business and all that kind of stuff. It's raining. I don't want to get my camera messed up, but today I got it on a little bit. It ain't a light day. It's a decent day. You know what I'm saying? You know, Levi guy. You know what I'm saying? Paisley. You know what I'm saying? Little real kind of rock star-ish jeans, rock star-esque. And then I got that old we on feet. It's that new right here, y'all. You ain't seen them yet. You know what I'm saying? I ain't add these in my sneaker collection. I honestly had forgot about it. But man, we finna go get it in, man. I gotta find these shoes real quick and gotta get this order out and done. So let's go. All right, y'all. So one thing I wanted to talk to y'all about, one thing that I like to do with my business that I feel like brings me more attraction. When you go out and like you conducting business, look like your business, you know what I'm saying? Like right now I have on some shoes that I did, and you know what I'm saying, I got a decent outfit on. I look like I got something going for myself. So when somebody's like, hey, them shoes hard or whatever, and they look at the rest of my feet and be like, hold on, he might be doing a little something, let me go ahead and ask him, you know what I'm saying, where you get them shoes from, bro, or whatever. And then you bam, pop out that card, you feel me, get to that chicken. Speaking of which, I left my cards inside the house, so I gotta go get them real quick. Hold on. I got my cards, got everything together. So another thing I want to talk to y'all about is, you know, hold on, let me show y'all the card. Bam bam boogity. You can't, don't worry about it. But another thing I wanted to talk to y'all about, man, you can't be afraid to talk to people. The thing that's gonna get you out there is like, all right, just say I go in the Foot Locker and I buy 4 pair of Air Force Ones. You know what I'm saying? People might look at you and be like, hey, why he buying all these forces? He must like forces. Once you see that look, that's when you attack. Yeah, I know I'm buying a lot of forces, but you know what I'm saying? This is why I'm buying a lot of forces. I customize shoes, show them your work, you know what I'm saying? Break out that card, bam. That's clientele right there. If it's people in the line, they might be like, oh, snap. I mean, clearly they in there for shoes, so they might like custom shoes. So they might be like, oh, okay, let me get one too, bro. Let me get one too. There you go. Get to this money. Oh yeah. And one more thing, like it kind of goes along the line where I first told y'all, you know what I'm saying, why I like to dress a certain way when I'm going out conducting business. It's the same thing like when you you know, in a major corporation or whatever, and you wear your suit and tie, you want to be taken seriously. What I do is more so like within the streetwear realm. So I have to dress like, not have to, but I like to dress like the streetwear, you know what I'm saying, the drippy, you know what I'm saying, like kind of not flashy, but like just a streetwear look, you know what I'm saying, because that's what I'm trying to attract. You know what I'm saying? I don't do shoes like dress shoes and stuff like that. I wear, you know, I do Air Force Ones, I do Jordans, foam posits, all this different kinds of stuff. That is what I do. So that's what I'm gonna put on and I'm going to advertise. When I step out, I like to step out in my shoes so I can get these questions, especially when I'm conducting my business. And when you are conducting that business, one thing I learned, be confident, man. Be confident in your work and don't let nobody kind of like, you know what I'm saying, like downgrade what you doing, because you got to act like you got $1 million in your pocket. You got 40,000 clients that you got to get shoes out to. You ain't got time to be rapping with people and explaining stuff to them. You got to, boom, all right, here go the card. If you want to hit me up, hit me up. You know what I'm saying? I got to keep it moving. That way you don't look desperate. You never want to look desperate and want to look like, okay, yeah, they need my business. Act like you don't need their business, even if you ain't got a dime in your pocket. But for this one order, you know what I'm saying, you got to act like you somebody. Be who you want to be. Be who you want to become, who you know you are.